Hey everybody, and welcome back to the HobbyNut 007 channel. Have a cool mail call for you today and a channel shout out. Stick around. Today's video is all about the cards. This shout card is from Pat over at Cardz Scale Dreams. Is that not cool? This 65 Chevelle is awesome. I would have never thought about doing it in yellow, but it really complements this car. Listen, when you go over to his channel, look at the banner of this car. And it's a shot of the driver's side. I'm not going to spoil it by giving it away, but what unique thing do you see on that picture? I mean, it is really cool. Pat's got a great channel. Just celebrated 1,000 subscribers. Well, I think he's pushing on 1,100 or going on it now, and he's done a lot of great videos. Check out the video on the Chevelle, but also he's got a great video on the restoration of a Buick nailhead engine that he's going to be putting in a really old one that he's going to be putting in an older car. And I wasn't in a hurry to pick up the new Chevelle SS396, but I just watched his unboxing, I think it was yesterday, and right after it came out, and wow, I think I'm going to have to go ahead and get that now. And his latest video hadn't been up very long, and it's the 55 Ford pickup that's the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators group build, kind of a mock-up for the direction he's going, which is really cool. But great builder. Awesome channel, a lot to learn there. Head on over. Now, when I said the rest of this video, or this video is going to be about the cards, when he did his 1,000 sub giveaway, apparently his random maker picked, or well, if you go back and watch the video, you'll see where it randomly picked the persons, and I won. Can you believe that? But anyway, I want to share with you what he sent. Now check this out. First up, there was a great set of nice pointy tweezers, which I use tweezers on everything. It also had, check this out, and I love these paintbrushes that have the handles on them. A great fine tip paintbrush. And Pat, you got a lot of my weaknesses here. Tweezers, paintbrushes, sanding sticks. Check that out. 3,000, 5,000, 8,000. Oh, man. Cool stuff, man. Super appreciated. And check this out. I want to back off here a little bit. The Mobius 72. Well, let me get the box out of the way here, guys. 72 Ford F-Series Sport Custom. And my uncle had one of these things. I did the video on that passed away here recently. And Uncle Bubba had I think it was a 72. And he put a big block in that thing, and it was just an absolute monster. But these Mobius kits are absolutely fantastic. If you want an accurate and really great pickup, well, any kit that they make, these things are awesome. Pat, thank you very much. I appreciate that. And here's to your next 1,000 or 2 for the channel. And again, guys, I encourage you, go over and check out his channel. There is some great stuff over there. And again, that's Cardz Scale Dreams. Great channel, great guy. You'll learn something here too. Guys, thanks a bunch. Appreciate you. If you're going to pick up one of these, head over to HobbyNut Models. Check out the inventory that Mark has there. Pick up your MCW paints, your tools and supplies. Great stuff. Guys, we do appreciate you, and we love you. Remember, God loves you. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Wait a minute, guys. Don't go anywhere yet. I just discovered in the bottom of the box this piece. Opened it up, and it is, well, it was also in here with the truck and the other goodies. This is a Replicas and Miniatures of Maryland piece that was mastered by Larry Booth. And it is, check out that distributor. I've got 2 or 3 of these things, but man, I can never have enough of these. But great distributor kit, and if you're not familiar with Replicas and Miniatures of Maryland Company, head over and check them out. Great stuff there too. Pat, once again, man, what a prize pack. Appreciate you, brother. Guys, and again, go over and check out Pat's channel. Cardz. See you guys.